Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Ghosh and I will be taking English Literature short story section for classes 9 ABCD to study and class 10th ABCD for revision. I am continuing the same story which I taught in my last lesson, The Old Man at the Bridge. Now there are some notes. Please note down and learn. The title of the story, Old Man at the Bridge, is quite appropriate, for the entire story revolves around the conversation which the narrator soldier had with an old man sitting by the side of the road at a pontoon bridge. The man in the story is a symbol of all those who suffer the horrors of war. The bridge is symbolic of life that connects the two ends, birth and death. The bridge also symbolizes the point of no return for the old man. The main theme in the story is the fatality of war. The old man surrenders to his fate and waits for his death. The theme of compassion is reflected through the nameless soldier who engages in a conversation with the old man. The soldier becomes a friend in need for the old man with whom the lonely man shares his worries. The scene takes place in a typical war zone with the movement from the attack by the enemy troop. There is a reference to the mule-drawn carts and the soldiers helping the people with the carts struggling to get across the pontoon bridge and up the steep bank on the other side of the river. There is dust all around with the trucks of the army. The peasants had to move with difficulty in the ankle-deep dust. Thus, this is symbolic with the immobility of the old man. He sat down there without moving. He was too tired to move. The story is narrated from the young soldier's point of view and enables the reader to see the old man through careful description using dialogues and commentary on the old man. The readers are able to understand the plight of the old man and the mute animals in a war situation. The story is set on the Easter Sunday, the day when Jesus Christ rose from the dead, that is, on the third day after he was crucified. Easter is symbolic of rebirth, renewal, and possible change. The image of the resurrected Christ is like the image of the old man's dove being released from their cage, both being symbol of hope and peace. The old man is worried about his animals but not about himself. The Ebro River in The Old Man at the Bridge is symbolic of the old man's journey of life. The pigeons represent peace and harmony. They fly away from the war zone. This is in reference to the refugees who flee from war to a safer place. The cat being a symbol of independence, which does not need anybody to survive. The goat is used as a sacrificial animal, and this represents the old man and his situation. Like a goat which is sacrificed, the old man's fate is sealed, that is death. The day is described as a grey, overcast day with low ceiling. The grey color symbolizes old age, sadness, loneliness, and destruction which was brought by the war. The old man is guilty of leaving his animals behind for the fear of fire by the artillery. He is struggling with his own emotions. Crossing the bridge would have protected him physically, but he is hurt emotionally. Man's inhumanity to man forces the old man to leave his hometown. Deprived of hope, he sits under the bridge waiting for his death. Assignments. Children, you have to do the assignment. Class 10th will do it in the register and the workbook. Class 10, do the context question of the story Old Man at the Bridge. Do all the 5 reference to context questions in the workbook. Answers will be discussed when we meet. Read the story 4 to 5 times before reading the questions. Then solve them. Assignment for class 9th. Do this in your register. You may use old register if new is not available. Reference to context. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. There was a pontoon bridge across the river, and carts, trucks, and men, women, and children were crossing it. The mule-drawn cart staggered up the steep bank from the bridge, with soldiers helping push against the spokes of the wheels. The truck ground up away, heading out of it all, and the peasants plodded in the ankle-deep dust. But the old man sat there without moving. He was too tired to go any further. The questions are: Question 1. What is pontoon bridge? Why are many people crossing the bridge? Question 2. Where is the old man sitting unlike others? Why doesn't he move? Question 3. Who is the speaker in the above extract? Why is he there? Question 4. Why is the old man the last one to leave his town? Why does the old man smile on being asked?